Dali, new game. Tignan mo muna sana yung controls.
Ha?
Controls. Sige, tuloy mo.
Seeking a connection with others is a sign of weakness.
Hindi ba siya na yan? Si
It's
ano?
running away. The strongest
Si Life is
animals
Strange.
don't form groups.
Si Max.
They act
Hindi.
alone and need only themselves to survive. Those who betray themselves to fit into a group are pathetic. There's no beauty in living like that. I want to be strong on my own, without a group. If there were only someone who would understand that to adult me.
First person siya, no?
Kaya nga ayoko.
Dyan na eh.
Dapat ikaw yung nag-aalaro eh.
Dyan na eh.
Maya. Yun rin yung pangalan dun sa Life is Strange. Ano, sa bagong Life is Strange, yung double exposure. Yun yung pangalan nung best friend nung makikilala ni Max na kaibigan niya.
Ayan na, tek mo, gumagalaw ko na ha.
Wait lang, wala pa.
Wala pa ba?
Ayoko na! Ayoko na!
Grabe, ang creepy ng lugar.
I want to show you something. Can you come to the villa?
Wala.
Oh, yeah.
Ayoko na agad! Ayoko na!
Ang boses ni Max, no? Wala pa nga eh. Wala pa, explore mo na.
Ayoko na, ayoko na, ayoko na.
Check mo.
Ayoko na!
Wala pa, ito naman.
Ayoko na. Ano to?
Check mo lahat.
This model. Is it this building?
Wala akong pake! The plan to rebuild Ketun's dad and over you can... Okay, bahala ka dun.
Wow. So this place can always
Ayoko na.
Our parents dreamed of this?
Ayoko na. Ayoko na.
Walang ibang daan.
Ewan ko.
Hindi dyan. Sa iba ka dadaan.
Ayan na yung makano.
Yan o. Sige. Saan ka ba galing?
Dito ko... Ay, ito. Dito. Oh! Disability caused with the COVID-19 pandemic. Kailan lang ba ito?
Bago lang yun, di ba?
Ano lang ba?
Silent Hill.
Latent service.
Kailan kaya nilabas
Losing
yan?
their futures. Small adults on
Ayun, bumukas na.
a slave to the system.
Wala pa.
Where are you, Maya?
Wala pa.
Girl! Huwag mo lang... Huwag mo lang sundan si Maya, please! Yeah!
Wala pa. Lakad ka muna.
Girl, alis ka na. Alis na tayo. Please.
Oh, great. It's locked.
Wala, locked eh. Parang narinig ko talaga boses ni Max.
Hindi ganyan boses ni Max. Ewan ko.
Hmm.
Ayoko na, ayoko na. Ayoko na.
Pa nga tayo nakakalayo eh. Hindi pa tayo nakakalayo eh. Oo naman eh. Nakakalayo eh.
Maya?
Kailangan.
I'll repaint it all. Ang pangat yung mag-paint.
Creepy lang yung lugar mo.
Ano yung may lumalabas na ano? Pwedeng interact.
Ayun.
Wala ba?
Nung wala man ako nakita.
Ayun. Ay, hindi. Ay, sa phone pala yun. Sorry, nakapikit pa kasi ako.
Ngayon magpe-paint ka.
Maya? Maya?
Ayun.
Did Maya do this? CB. Cherry blossom.
That's my signature.
That's Maya's signature. She's amazing. The city is a blank canvas, begging for us to paint it with our hopes and
Yan si Maya?
dreams.
Parang.
I want to show the hidden side of girls, their impulses, their urges.
Eh? Hindi siya
Japanese.
animation.
What are you
Ah.
hiding inside?
Wala.
Don't worry about what people think.
Siguro Japanese dub talaga siya.
Be proud.
Oo nga, no? Parang Japanese
Ah.
dub. English dub pala.
How could I ever
Kami
be
yung
proud of
controller.
myself?
Wala pa nga eh.
Ikaw ka. Cherry blossom. Ano yun?
Pusa.
Hindi mo naririnig ako eh.
Pusa nga.
How talented she is. I couldn't be more different.
Or daga.
Ano yun?
Ayun o, daga.
Ah!
Pusa.
Ay! Uy! Bata yun!
Bata ba yan?
Ano naririnig tumatawa?
Mali ko.
Ako na! Hindi ko na kaya! Uy!
Karuan lang pala yun eh.
Pero tumatawa tapos may dugo? Yung na, yung music kasi!
Diretso mo na doon. Saan ka ba dapat?
Ewan ko nga.
Diretso na doon, di ba?
Saan?
Kasi dyan may lumabas yung ulo nung mandal eh. Oo, yan. Dyan ka na. Creepy naman pagbukas mo na.
Ayoko na. Ayoko na. Daddy!
Wala pa tayo
Who's
eh.
there?
O yun oh, may text oh. I
You're
fell
asleep.
asleep.
Sleep, so if I woke you up, didn't see that your job is today, still not feeling good. You taking your meds. Sorry for the late reply. I fell asleep. Don't worry about it. How are you feeling? I'm okay. I can actually kind of get some rest now. Didn't mean to scare you or anything. Seriously, don't worry about it. All's good now. I'm still a little tired, but I'm gonna get up soon.
That's a relief.
Girl, bakit ka ba nandyan?
Oo ko nga eh. Bakit nandiyan siya sa ganyang ano eh. Apartment eh, no?
What's with this place? Why all the sticky notes? Loser! Stupid! Liar! Crazy! Cry, baby! I hate you, dumb! Go away! She never said anything nice.
What? Child abuse, neglect. This is a physical service.
Loved me.
Wait.
Nandiyan. I-interact mo lang lahat yung ano, para magbukas yung mga
Antidepressants.
pinto.
I've taken enough medication.
Siya ba yan?
Oo ko eh.
Tungkol saan? Yung room na yan. Yan, dyan ka na.
Ayoko na talaga,
Yun,
ayoko na
bukas
talaga.
sa pinto. Creepy naman ito.
Things happen because of you! I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Creepy.
Ooh.
Mom.
It's my girl.
Labas ka na.
Ako na.
Hangin ulit.
What about you, Anita? What? You didn't look so hot the other day. I'm fine. You don't have
I'm
to worry
fine.
about me. Well,
I'm
obviously,
fine.
I'm taking my meds. Meds are good, but what about therapy? It doesn't really do much, to be honest. Talking to adults doesn't help. Some of our classmates are hospitalized. You don't have to do this alone. I know, I'll let you know if I need anything. And those guys deserved it. They feel bad, you know, all of them.
Yung mga nambubuli.
Oo, siguro yung mga namubuli sa kanya. Tapos, nung nag-attempt siya,
Oo.
bigla silang tumino.
Yun.
Naano ko
Yung
na.
ano mo na yun. Yun yung mga ito si Maya. Ayun na!
Ayoko na, 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 di ko na kaya, di ko na kaya, di ko na kaya. Ayoko na. Ayoko na, ayoko na.
Copy mo kagad yung daan.
Ayoko na, ayoko na, ayoko na, ayoko na, ayoko na, ayoko na. Ayoko na.
Takbo.
Wait lang, tumatakbo nga ako. Ayoko na.
Huwag ka titingin sa likod ha. Ha?
Am I safe? Where did it even go? What the fuck was that thing?
Ano ba yun?
I want to show you something. Can you come to the villa? You here? I'm in the studio. Maya? There's a monster here. You okay?
Hello. That's me. Sabihin ni Maya, no?
Teenage suicides continue at infamous building. A rundown apartment complex in Kettenstad has become known for its suicides. The teenage girls jumping from its roof practically every year. Despite recent repeat events, the building abandoned ever since the development management company declared bankruptcy remains easily accessible. The young and unemployed are not deterred by the building's reputation, though with many continuing to enter it, and young graffiti artists using it for their work. Meanwhile, local resident security continue to grow.
Louise. Not Maya, too. She has been acting weird lately. Cherry blossoms bloom within the grasp of death. With most flowers, the rot sets in, then they fall. That's the price of new life. Not cherry blossoms, though. They bloom beautiful, they fall beautiful.
Hindi ka ano to, parang
That's how I want my life to be.
patikim dun sa Silent Hill F.
Oh, oh. Hindi man.
Sa Japanese yung ano eh.
Japanese yung ano.
Diba?
Pero yung setting kasi hindi siya ano eh.
Hindi naman
I have to
sinabi.
find her.
Kay Tenstad eh.
Mamalo mo naman.
Parang hindi naman Japanese eh.
Oo, sa Japanese sounding ano, name. Hello, tunog na naman. Hanapin mo na yung daan. Ayun, doon.
Oh,
Wala,
babalik lang.
babalik ka doon. Eh, dyan nga yung merong ano, mga habol. Hindi, pasok. Ayan.
Monster. It's gone, right?
Ayan yung studio, di ba?
Where is the studio?
Spec.
Oh, the famous suicide spot.
Daan? Sa room. Saan ba galing? Ayun eh. Ayun, bro. Bakit gano'n? Dumidilim na dumidilim.
Mukha na nga akong tulog sa video
Ayun,
eh.
creepy.
Maya, I hope you're alright.
Sa video mukha na akong tulog oh. Gising po ako. Ako pa yung naglalaro. Hindi ko lang mabuksan yung mata ko. By the way, thought any more about college?
Ang weird no,
I can't do
nakikipagtsikahan pa siya sa text.
You don't have to decide right away. So, once you're at college, are you not coming back here? No way, I'll come back occasionally.
Ang weird lang.
I told you I can't go. It's not for me. Studying isn't my thing.
Diba? Kung ko yung text ko, help me.
Do you really think you know?
Come here. I'm here. Help me get out. Diba? Nagtsikahan about ano, kung ano-ano. Samantalang
I'm not Maya, okay?
nasa isang creepy place siya.
Really doesn't get it.
Feeling ko si Maya, hindi siya totoong tao.
Gotcha.
Eh ano siya?
So you
Feeling
don't
ko,
really
ano,
like this place.
Yung character natin, siya talaga yung artist.
I get it.
Pero si Maya lang yung parang projection niya na parang hindi niya ma-accept na siya yung artist.
Nothing but
So gumawa siya ng ibang tao na parang, eto si Maya, siya yung ano, siya yung
and my
artist.
classmates talk about me.
Oh, 'di ba?
Might not be a bad idea to leave town, actually.
Pero ewan ko.
The great thing about graffiti is the world's your canvas.
Feeling ko yung katext niya talaga sa phone. Parang
I
feeling
can't
ko
find it anywhere.
imagination lang siguro yun.
Hmm?
Ako, feeling ko talaga itong si Maya, ano talaga siya eh. Imagination lang siya. Feeling ko talaga siya talaga yung artist. Siya si Cherry Blossom.
Si Maya yung ano,
Maya,
kinreate lang niya
are
gano'n.
Oh.
you here? It's this.
Di ba, since Silent Hill to, parang, usually di ba yung, ano, parang imagination, guilt. Baka may guilt siya na, ewan ko.
Are these Maya's sketches? These aren't even finished. And they look this good. They seem happy. A new life. So full of life. Maya,
Ano naman.
Where are you? This place is dangerous. We need to go. Maya, respond, please.
why won't she reply?
Or maybe
Where are you?
yung kaibigan yung si Maya, parang may nangyari sa kanya na
Am I going crazy?
Yun na.
girl, please.
Hanap ka na ng yun. Sa amin.
It's beautiful. Who did Maya have in mind? Did you post this too? Even more followers.
Siya ba si Anita?
Followers again.
Siya si Anita.
Tapos may CB eh. Sino yung CB?
CV siya si Maya.
Maya.
Some new followers here. You need to upload stuff like this to get as many likes as Maya. Sexy, loving it. Stop. My photos are ready. No sexy stuff.
Peer pressure.
Wow. Your followers.
Congrats on reaching your follower goal. Come on, we want sexy pics on.
Just stop! Please!
Baka kaya siya nagpunta dyan. Family.
Ayun yung kausap na
Ikaw ka-text niya, di ba?
Ah.
I'm sorry. You have your own situation to deal with. I was out of line. I was thinking selfishly.
Tok na ako.
So sorry. I shouldn't have gotten mad like that. Thanks, Anita. I guess I haven't accepted Maya's death yet.
Ala,
Why did she jump from the villa? Why did she have to die?
Maya's.
ba't di niya alam?
Kausap niya eh.
Wait. Maya's really dead.
Bakit nawala sa memory niya? Baka traumatized kasi siya, no?
Ah.
Kaya parang ano.
How could I forget that?
Are you alright, Anita? Hello? Hello?
Kaya siguro siya nandun siya.
Who's this? Find it.
Who are you? Sino ka?
Ayoko na.
Find it nga daw eh.
Ayoko na. Ayoko na, ayoko na. Ayoko na. Ayoko na!
Oh.
Ayoko na, ayoko na, ayoko na, ayoko na. Ayoko na, Daddy.
Konti na lang.
Ayoko na! Daddy! Ayoko na! Ayoko na! Ayoko na! Ikaw naman! Ikaw naman!
Wala no. Umatay.
Ikaw na. Ikaw na. Ikaw na. Ikaw na.
Wala na. Asa na?
Labas ka ulit.
Is this a dream?
X?
Oo, X lang.
Tapos? Paano ka
Takbo
tatakbo?
ka lang. So,
L2?
oo. I mean, yun lang yung ginagawa ko.
Ay, putik! Saan tayo pupunta? Ang hirap naman ito. Oh, dali.
Ayoko talaga ng hinahabol.
Hindi kaya nga hindi ko laro yung Resident Evil 7 eh. Hindi ako makaalis doon sa ano, yung matandang babae ng nangahanap.
Oo.
Maya died. But her art lives on. Even more followers.
Siguro hindi siya maano, parang hindi siya makamove on.
Oo.
Nung nawala si Maya.
Parang ina-idolize niya kasi. Kinukumpara niya yung sarili niya kay Maya eh.
This is where Maya jumped from.
Bad things happen because of you!
Maybe I can be like her. Here goes.
sasagot, syempre, no? Tapos na.
Oo nga.
Maiksi lang pala nun.
Oo eh, short nga lang, diba? Huh? Huh? Huh?
Ulit. Balik ulit. Hindi, mulit na yan.
The villa.
It's a loop. Na, okay na yan. Ha?
Why
Hindi.
didn't I die?
Ay!
Eh,
May ganun.
diba? Ulit-ulit.
Si Maya ulit. Find it? Find what? Can't leave till you find it. Is this really you, Maya? Can't leave till you find it. Maya said you're not there. Can't leave
Hello.
till you find it. Who is this? Can't leave till you find it.
Hello.
Tell me.
What the fuck?
Kailangan niya hanapin pa? Ano hahanapin?
This
Oh, my battery.
Hello? Ano hahanapin natin?
Ewan ko.
Wala namang makikita.
Ayoko niyan. Respect. Hold that three. It's all your fault.
This is all your fault. Bad things happen because of you.
Marama naman. Balik ulit tayo dito. Di ba galing natin tayo dito kanina?
Oh, umulit nga lang eh.
Oh, wala na.
Why?
Wala na yung ano.
What? Who do this?
Hello?
Nakachadar.
May bandaan, di ba?
Wala.
Nabalik lang tayo.
No.
Sumasara na naman.
Chadar.
Wait, it's back on. How could somebody do this?
Finish my masterpiece. Speak and soundings. Is this?
Some people really have nothing better to do. Wait. I bet it was these guys.
Look!
Hello? Ang creepy naman yan.
Napipigit na yung mata ko. Natok na.
Mamaya na.
Kung alam, saan na tayo pupunta eh. Oy! Cheddar! Gulo mo naman. Aray ko, manahabay ko mo. Sami. Aray ko, masakit.
This is just like before.
Ulit nga eh. Huwag mo nang feeling okay. Ano ba yun? Yan, magtanong ka ng iba. Where am I? Ganun. Hello? Hello?
You're so good to me, but you're leaving me behind. Did Maya really not say anything? Like, at all?
Wale.
So what'd you think of the book?
May book pa pala.
The author killed themselves when they were young. were thinking right before they died. Anyway, I didn't think you'd share your thoughts in a letter. You really are shy, aren't you? Actually, kind of like that though. You write in a really flowery and passionate way. I can't wait to read more.
Sino yung writer? Si Anita?
Oh, okay.
Eh, may parang ano dun.
Letters.
Inside the fog of social media, solitude and anxiety in teenagers.
Toxic quest for validation. Saan pupunta?
It's all your fault, everything. I'm my only friend. Nothing's wrong.
Sino kaya nagsalita nun?
Baka kay Maya. Eee! Creepy naman!
Ano nga eh.
I haven't been able to study since my brother came back from Christmas break. He's nice and doesn't interrupt my studies or anything, but I can't stand him staring at me. I know he was probably just messing with me back then, but I've been scared of him ever since. It's made me hate any guy looking at me. I can't believe other girls walk around school tongue showing off some skin.
Ano kaya ang diary to, no?
Ako eh. Sa apartment complex yun, di ba?
Oo. Deutschland, German. Sa Germany siya?
Medical University.
No?
Oh.
This is for the college Amelie wants to go to.
Ayan naman si Amelie.
Hey Anita, you got a minute to talk? Sure, what's up?
Talaga?
You seemed kind of out of it before. If something's bothering you, you can let me know. Thanks, but I'm fine. Sorry to bring it up. Don't want to cry. No, it's okay. I don't mind. Hey, we should go shopping together sometime.
What?
I
Help
haven't
me
left
get
my
out
house
of
in
this
what feels
house
like forever.
first.
Plus, my brother's coming here. Oh, right. You okay? Yeah, just trying to avoid him as much as possible. So shopping, yeah, we can find you something cute. No, I'm good. I'm not a fan of crowds. And nothing looks cute on me anyway. Stop talking like that. You're way too hard on yourself. You got the looks. You just start need to find the right outfit.
Too hard on myself. Huh?
Yun yung
Amelie
baby.
is the only one who
Uh.
thinks that.
Sinasabi nito na can't leave until you find it, no?
Yun nga eh.
Diary na naman.
Mom just left. Hindi ba? Diyan yung... Hindi ba kay Anita yan?
Ewan. Room niya?
Oh.
Siya ba yan?
Kasi di ba kanina yung sa banyo? Ano? Parang...
Eh, hindi. Yan yung pictures. Siya ba yan?
Siguro.
Siya ba yan?
Feeling ko yan yun eh.
Young student found dead. Possible suicide. No, 18-year-old female student fall from the roof. The girl was rushed out of the van. The girl was distraught not being able to attend college classes at home. No note or diary was found. Police said they were dead by suicide.
Oh, di ba?
Amelie's
Over
not
not...
like this though. Right?
So si Amelie?
Ano,
Kasi
di
sabi
ba?
niya, di ba yung ano, yung brochure na nakita niya,
Hindi, pero... Hindi, kasi di
sabi
ba
niya, di ba
nga...
this is the school Amelie wants to go to.
Hindi, kasi di ba nung kinakausap niya si, ano... Si Anita, di ba sabi niya wala siyang plano mag-college?
I only hated the way her brother looked at her.
O baka apartment ka ni
That
Amelie
she
yan.
wants to leave to get away from all that.
Diba?
Bakit na ganun? Nag-autosave!
Alam mo na. Hindi na natin alam saan tayo pupunta eh. Dito tayo galing. Ito no? Ay, sumaran na naman. Hindi ko alam saan tayo pupunta eh.
Hindi ko lang alam.
Galing na tayo rito eh. Ano ba?
Ayun.
Wonder what those guys are talking about. Fortune telling? A lot of people are getting into that. Huh? You don't believe in that stuff? Well, I think there's something real about it.
Tok na ako.
My great-grandmother was a fortune teller.
Naantok
I hear people here used to treat her like some sort of prophet.
Uy.
But they all eventually turned on my great-grandmother. Guess you could predict other people's futures, but not your own.
Heavenstadt. Oo nga, parang German yung Heavenstadt.
Japanese and German. Giving rise to the belief. Okay, so where are we going? Where should we go now?
There we going. Out of there.
Tarot cards. Not quite predicting my future.
Alam saan nga tayo pupunta eh.
Find it.
Ha?
Find it.
Where?
Find it.
So, napasok na natin nata na. Saan ba tayo?
Ay, alam ko sa dyan tayo. Oh,
Tayo pinapin.
ah. Yan, school?
School.
Nasa school siya. Saan pupunta? Ayun. Oo. Binato siya ng
Go away!
Ano kayo ha? Sino ba kayo? Ano bang weapon to? Eh. Ay! Ayun. Binubuli siya. Binubuli pala siya dati.
Shut your whore mouth! Get out, you freak!
Look.
Bato? Hirap naman.
Ah!
Alam, nakapupunta. Ay, saan tayo pupunta? Aya.
Magtatakbo ka lang! Ah!
Nahuli pa. Hindi pa tayo kumaliwa kasi. Ulit na naman, tatakbo na naman tayo. Ang hirap naman ito. Hello?
Why are you chasing me?
Saan ba tayo dumanon?
Opo!
Hindi matandaan saan tayo dumanon. Parang iba na to. No? Parang iba na to. Putik yan. Yan na ako madaan! Shit. Ayoko na!
Ayoko na rin!
Ayoko na! Hindi natin malagpasan eh. Go naman!
Ayoko! Ayoko!
Ayoko na!
Ayoko!
Ayoko na, tama na. Stop na lahat ito.